Hello, welcome to Artificial Intelligence Hub. In this tutorial, we're gonna make a code to capture a screenshot using Python. This code will help you to capture a screenshot. So first of all, I'm gonna import tkinter, Python GUI, a desktop-based GUI, tkinter as tk, and the second one I'm gonna import py to GUI. These two libraries are needed. So after that, root is equal to tk dot tk. Root is equal to tk enter. So root title, I'm just writing the title should be whatever you want. I'm just writing here as a screenshot. I'm just writing a screenshot here, and root dot geometry the shapes how. So I'm gonna make it about 350 by cross 350 cross 350. So 350 cross 350. We'll define a function. Let me capture screenshot, capture a screenshot. So I'm gonna write here this one. I'm gonna call, oh, I did a wrong spell mistake. So screenshot, capture screenshot, a function capture screenshot making a variable object or variable, you can say whatever you can say is by to GUI dot screenshot, and after this one dot save, I'm gonna save this one. So let me try. This is the harder part here. I'm gonna save it. Save. Let me check. Is it saving me the here or screenshot? Screenshot dot png. So I'm gonna copy this one, write it here. After this one, I have to just make a button here. Bu btn is equal to tk dot pu. Then I'm just calling this one and pass argument there. First of all, what root text should be on the button. The text should be whatever you write here. I'm gonna write capture screen, and the third argument is command is equal to this one. This function is using as a command, so I'm calling this function as a command argument, and so wrap up the things btn dot pack. So this is the function, and after that root dot man, root dot man. So let me run. Is it working or not? No module name pi autogate. No module name pi autogate means you have to install this one using anaconda promote and pip install no module name pi auto GUI. You can see it's installing this library in my computer. So pi autogate is successfully installed in my computer. So I'm gonna run the code again. So this time I'm gonna check it, is it working or not? Yeah, you can see when I press capture screen, so I'm gonna check it, is it did or not. So let me check the code. It's not installed. Let me check the code again. Screen short. This spelling, sorry for that, the spelling was incorrect. Let me I just correct it. So I'm gonna run this one again. So show me screen. Screen dot module has no screen short short pi auto q has screen short. So it says that module has no. Let me check it. Yes, when I refresh, when I cancel that and connected the kernel again, so it's work now. So when I press, you can see this is my screen here. uh, Here is the GUI window using TK, and when I press click here, so it will generate the screenshot of this one. You can see here is a screenshot. I'm gonna again press this one, so it you can see it's replacing, and it show me a new uh, a screenshot here. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe and like my channel.